Hi, I'm Adriana Baranek. You're watching UseWise YouTube channel. Here with me is Mladen Baranek, CTO of Media
Hi.
Group. So there is an event happening on the 27th of July, a Retail and Consumer Goods Summit. So if you are in the FMCG segment, you would be very wise to attend this summit. And we wanted to give you a special registration link in the links below. And you can register for it, and it is our link, and we will get back in touch with you after the summit to discuss if you have some other needs and what do you want to achieve with Google. So, Martin, can you tell us a bit more about this event?
So, event will feature a few very big topics for retail and consumer markets. They will discuss demand forecasting, how it can be done with modern tools. There will be also an overview how you can modernize your SAP deployments, and they will feature the future of retail with IKEA as a showcase. So that they will discuss how you can integrate public cloud into your consumer goods and how you can actually achieve better relation with your customers, minding privacy concerns and all the other topics that are currently open and that have to be resolved in the near future.
Fantastic. Yeah, it will be an amazing event. It always is, and it always gives you an opportunity to get in touch with many very interesting people and to hear what they have to say. So please do attend the summit and like our video, subscribe to our channel, and thank you, Mladen, for your time. And we'll see you very soon.
Bye.
Bye.